Hi, my name is Emmanuel Echeverri. I'm the Teen Hopes and Dreams and I'm from Colombia. This is the prototype zero known as the disinfection robot device.
Have you even need to disinfect in your home, office, or any place to avoid COVID-19? We are living with a lot of anxiety, worried constantly that we could get infected by COVID-19 or our loved ones. COVID-19 has changed our lives. As of now, we are facing challenges that we weren't used to due to this pandemic. We need to learn how to cope with humanity with this pandemic and earn trust with people. When you go to the supermarket, drugstore, restaurants, or receive cash or any type of statements, we must disinfect each object. Otherwise, you are at risk of being contagious with COVID-19. This is why I created the ideal robot named Prototype Zero, which allows you to disinfect products in a very safe and quick way. It can be used in any commercial place. It can be used in your house, office, university. You can take it anywhere because it is portable and easy to use.
It's a cabin-type robot unit with a basket placed in one of its sides, in which objects are put by people to disinfect and clean of viruses. Once an object is put in the basket, it is transported on a rotating band to the cabin center point where it is cleaned and using sparkles that vaporize sanitation solution in the cabin. The object is sanitized in just 7 seconds as fast, quiet and safe process for it and people too. Finally, the object is moved to the other side of the cabin where it's ready to pick it up by the user. In a corner of the robot we have the control panel. One of the bottom make the basket go forward, the second one go backward. The third bottom turn off and turn on the servo motors to activate the sprinkles. The robot includes a light to see the dark side of the cabin. And now, let me introduce you Prototype Zero, solving real problems in the real world. The best solution.
Acá tienes otros puntos.
Muchas gracias, muy amable.
Buenas tardes. ¿Me regalaron dos lápices y sacapuntas?
Me dijo un sacapuntas y dos lápices, ¿cierto?
Exactamente.
Bien. ¿No? Colocar acá, lo colocamos por acá, lo desinfectamos nuevamente.
Muchas gracias.
Muy bien.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
¿Me das un cafecito, por
Claro
favor?
que sí, me pones el restaurante, por favor.
Muchas gracias.
Con mucho gusto. Así ya nos queda el billetico desinfectado para que tengamos más seguridad. Caballero, bien pueda.
Bueno,
Ahí
muchas
está,
gracias.
confianza,
Muy
con
amable.
mucho gusto.
Muchas
Hasta
gracias.
luego.
Hasta luego.